Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We're doing a box of Rookie Anthology for Tom. Just show him the good old double eights. 3088. So here we go. Good luck, Tom. Thanks again. Yeah, we'll see. The heavy ones aren't always the best ones, Tom. One, two. Looks like you got two pleasantly plumpers. None of that 4 to 5. Nice. You have a titanium Freddie Hamilton out of 100. Corey Schneider. Nice. Nice. Best goalie, Nikita Kucherov. Yeah, you can. Hockey. Zach Sale. And base. Is it Hockey Chan? Is how you say it? Or Hockey? Base. Got Nate Schmidt. Can. Hockey Can. Rito Berra. That's PayPal there. Hockey Hand. Hockey Can. Nice. Jacob Trouba for the Jets. And Brock Nelson. Nice. Nice. Hampus Lindholm. And Rookie Anthology dual jersey auto, Sean Monahan. Nice. Michael Delzato Select. We got a Prism, Tyler Petlick. Nice. Nutcrackers from China. He lives in Hong Kong. And you're definitely not from Hong Kong, Mike. Rasmus Ristolainen, hot rookie. And we got rookie gear, jersey auto, Nicholas Jensen. Or base. No, I know. No, I'm just trying to tell him that you live in Hong Kong. But you kind of ruined it. Base. We got Mr. Zemgus Gold. Zemgus. Riley Smith. Base. So on to your fairly decent sized plumpers. Which card stores do you recommend down there? Hockey Hand. Is there like a home run or something like that? You bet. Yeah, LA's fine. Kerry Romo. Score signatures, Jordan Caron. And your super thick one. What's it gonna be? Nice. Phil Esposito, Luxury Suites. Stick out of 199. Mason Raymond, score. So there we have it, Tom. Thanks again.